for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, dual airbags, front wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, CD player, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. Come take a test drive today.